In a significant development amid rising tensions in West Asia, Iran has assured safe passage for Indian vessels through the strategically vital Strait of Hormuz, even as concerns grow over a possible US naval blockade in the region. Iran's assurance to India. Iran's ambassador to India, Mohammad Fatali, recently told that Indian ships will continue to navigate the strait without disruption. "We have good contact with the Indian government for allowing their ships to sail through the Strait of Hormuz," said Fatali. He added that New Delhi is among a group of countries Iran considers friendly, and coordination is already underway to ensure uninterrupted maritime movement. Why this matters for India? The assurance comes at a crucial time, as India's energy security heavily depends on oil shipments passing through the Strait of Hormuz, a route that handles nearly 20% of global oil trade. Any disruption here could directly impact fuel prices and supply chains back home. Iran slams US stand. Speaking on the collapse of recent talks in Islamabad, Fatali accused the United States of entering negotiations with a rigid stance. "Our delegation said that if you avoid your unlawful demands, the negotiation can continue. Unfortunately, the delegation of the United States entered not for negotiation but for our submission," said Fatali. He also said the US had miscalculated Iran's strength and resolve. Blockade warning and global impact. Iran warned that any attempt to block the Strait of Hormuz would have far-reaching global consequences. Tehran indicated that oil markets could soon react sharply if tensions escalate further. Amid concerns over wider conflict, Iran clarified that its military actions are directed only at US bases in the region, not neighboring countries. Meanwhile, Iran has alleged external interference in the failed talks. Foreign Minister Syed Abbas Arajiki claimed a call by Benjamin Netanyahu to US Vice President J.D. Vance shifted the focus away from negotiations. While India secures a temporary assurance, the larger geopolitical situation remains fragile, with the future of global oil supply and regional stability hanging in the balance.